filing heads.
Yes.
And I also indicated that otherwise whatever was happening was just a waste of time. I cannot put it better. It's a waste of precious time under circumstances where all of us were sounding agency in this matter. Now you are saying no heads, and indeed on my table I was to ask all the three of you about the heads, because also on my table nothing came. When we are in court, all of us are sounding agency, extreme agency, and I agree. In this matter, there is extreme agency. And that is why we set time for everyone to do as they had to do. Even if anybody did not do anything, I expected communication from all of you about where we are at. Even if no heads were forthcoming from anybody, I needed to be placed in a position where I know what is happening. So I don't know what is happening in this trial, because I have to come here today and be told as I'm being told, and it's you speaking, advocate. Therefore, we should have started the ball running. I have not heard of from anything from him.
As a part of this, sir, I'm just setting out the background. Advocate Tifo has indicated that would like to address the court, just giving the background of where we are.
Advocate Tifo.
Yes, sir. I think Advocate Balo was supposed to finish the background. I agree with him. He has to lay the background. Then I'll come.
Which background?
Because I'm going to also ask, after we finish, I'm going to ask the court to give me 30 minutes for consultation with my client, because they just arrived now, two of them.
No,
I still have to consult with them.
Consultation. I'm talking heads that we set dates upon. I'm saying, fill me in. I don't just jump on top of something that has not been completed. Fill me in what is the position with those heads. Now you want me to listen to him on top of something that is outstanding. What kind of proceedings do you want us to run?
I don't know, Your Lordship, but I'm saying, but Advocate Baloy, we discussed about this. He was right. I support what he's doing now.
No, I don't support it, because there's a matter outstanding of heads that I set head when the court set dates about things to be done. Whether it's done or not, we should pass on that with an explanation. Now you have determined that you prefer Advocate Baloy to address me first before you address me about something about which we made notes and agreed that on this and that date there will be heads. And I'm saying, fill me in, even if it's a brief filling in about what is happening. How do I record things on top of each other?
Your Lordship, this day has been agreed upon, and it's not true that in the interval from that day of postponement until today, there hasn't been anything that was happening to update the court and my colleagues here. It's not true, that one. The fact of the matter is that I've indicated, there were correspondence that taking place amongst generated from the accused 1 to 4, updating the court insofar as our last agreement regarding the jurisdiction issue.
Do you have a copy of that correspondence? Because I didn't see that correspondence.
Lordship, let me finish.
Yeah.
You'll know when I finish. But if you interrupt me, you won't know. Just give me opportunity. We still have in the day until 3:30. We're here. So, I still reiterate that I think this is a protocol and the right protocol because the matter belongs to the parties, to the state and the accused, not to the court. The court has to listen what the parties have agreed upon.
No.
There is agreement.
The court has to direct these proceedings. I cannot hear from the two of you. I have to direct my proceedings the way I know proceedings should run. And you cannot tell me how I should proceed, I should direct those proceedings. And I have told you, I need an explanation. I don't want a full explanation. I want to be told what is the position about the heads I expected, which I don't have on my table.
Exactly.
Even if it's one sentence, but I need to know what I'm doing so that the process is clear on my side. Not the way you want it, the way I will be able to handle it from my side.
Yeah. The problem will be one, Your Lordship, with the due respect and your honorable self, Justice Maumela, if the party, the accused party, 1 to 4, want to say something, is not given opportunity. You are going to get the explanation why there are no heads, not even a page, not even one sentence.
I'm saying give me an explanation about whether I'm still to receive heads or whether I am to go over that process, because on my side, I'm waiting for heads and they are not here. That's what I'm saying.
There is a new,